So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate your CSS project without actually coding or without knowing the coding knowledge about the animations. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for animate.css. You can see the right URL if I pronounce it wrong, or just simply go to this website which is animate.style. Once you open it, here you can see the simple interface. Now from this right section you're going to find multiple animations available for you. Here you can see multiple animation, the fade in, fade out, the bounce in, the back out, down, or everything else that are available here. And which animation you want, you can directly hit this copy button. You can see copy class name to clipboard, and a CSS class copy will be copied to your clipboard that you can directly use over your CSS project. With these animation you can directly integrate those class to your objects in CSS or HTML. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.